welcome to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to cut the back of the concept blouse. So in our previous lesson, I've shown you how to cut the front part of it, but in today's lesson we are going to learn how to cut the back part of it perfectly. So if you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell for you to be notified when there's a new video. And for those of you that have already subscribed, I really thank you and appreciate you for your support. God bless you. So this is the starting point. I've already made a line here. So I'll be using the length of 17 inches for the pattern that we're going to use. I will mark the vertical measurement. First of all, I'm going to measure the chest line. So I'm using the chest line of 9 inches. I will have to make a straight line for the chest line, which is 9 inches. I will mark my waist line, 17 inches. I have to make a line as well. We are going to leave 1.5 inches for the zip allowance. We are going to make a straight line of 1.5 inches for the zipper allowance. Now we are going to measure the bust span, which is 4.5 inches. I'm going to use 4.5 inches. So we are going to make a straight line, this chest line and the waist line. So we're going to measure the neck. The neck width we're going to use is 3 inches. And we are going to use 1.5 inches for the depth. So this is it. Now the shoulder line is 8. You can still place your tape measurement here. Measure 8 here. Measure the 8 here as well. Make the 8 inches here as well. After that, you make a line. Then you take your tape measurement and mark 1 inches here. So you connect the 1 inch to the 3 inches that you've already marked here. This 3 inches, you connect it to it. 1 inches. So that's that. Then the next thing is to connect the 3 inches to the 1.5 inches of neck depth that you've already marked. So the next thing for us right now is to look for the half of your armhole. You can do it this way for you to get the half of the armhole. You can fold it this way. This is half of it. That's half of the armhole. Now we are going to measure the chest line. So the chest line that I will be working with is 39. So 39 divided by 4 is 9.75. 9.75 is there. Now we are going to connect the armhole line. I'm going to connect it this way. So this is the back armhole line. The next thing is to measure 1 inch below. This is it here. 1 inch below. Then you come down to the waistline. Then you mark half an inch half an inch here. Then you mark half an inch here as well. So we are going to connect the 1 inch below the chest line to the half an inch to the waistline on both sides. So you connect the other side as well together. Next thing to do right now, for us to get the yoke, I'm going to measure 7 inches, which is going to be here. So we're going to make a line, connect it to the zip area here. From here, you connect the 7 inches. This is it. From the half of your armhole to the 7-inch mark that we've marked for our yoke from here to here. Then you connect it to the zip area here. Then at the same time you can make it to be a bit curved. You are going to come to the zip area. Then you mark 0.5 inches to eliminate any zip bulge. You connect it from the chest line area. That's it. So if you want to cut now, you have to cut the zip area from here. So now the next thing right now is for us to mark the waistline. So the waistline we are working with now is 38. 38 divided by 4 is 9.5 inches. So 9.5 inches, this is it here, plus the half an inch that we've marked here. So that will be 10.5 inches. So 10.5 inches will be here. There's a 9.5 inches plus 1. So it's going to be here. Now we are going to connect the line together. Going to connect the line together. We're done now. So the next thing for us now is to cut out the pattern. So I will start from the neckline here. I will cut the neck. Then I'm going to cut this. Then we bring it down to the armhole area. Then I will stop at the yoke here. Then I will cut out the yoke. So that's the yoke. Then I will cut it straight down. Remember, I didn't add any seam allowance. You want to sew your fabric, you have to add your seam to it when placing the pattern on the fabric. So you cut it straight down. That's it now. So you go to the zip area where we've marked 0.5 inches to eliminate zip bulge. So you cut it here. Now I'm going to cut the dart out. Then I'm going to cut the other side as well. Going to cut it out. Here's the yoke for the back. Now this is the back of the corset blouse. You can see it. There's the yoke and there's the back. And if you have not yet watched the part 1 of this video, I will drop the link below for you to watch so that you can know how to cut the first part of it, that is the front part of it. And here is a first pattern that we've drafted. The first one, this is the first one, and this is the yoke of the front part. You can see how beautiful it is. So if this tutorial is helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.